Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Trader Joe's salmon pinwheels. First, ensure your salmon pinwheels are fully thawed. This is crucial for even cooking. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This simple step makes cleanup a breeze and prevents the salmon from sticking. Getting these preparations right sets you up for a delicious meal. Once your oven is preheated and your baking sheet is ready, carefully place the thawed salmon pinwheels onto the parchment paper. Make sure they are spaced out to allow for even cooking. Bake them for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. The exact time can vary slightly depending on your oven. You'll know they're done when the salmon flakes easily with a fork and reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer a crispy exterior, you can also pan-fry the pinwheels. Heat a little oil in a skillet over medium-high heat, then cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. Once cooked, serve your salmon pinwheels immediately. They pair wonderfully with roasted vegetables, rice, or a fresh salad. A sprinkle of fresh dill or parsley adds a lovely touch and enhances the flavor. Always double-check that your salmon is fully cooked to ensure it's safe to eat. If you have any leftovers, store them promptly in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They'll stay fresh for up to 2 days, making for a quick and easy meal later. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked Trader Joe's salmon pinwheels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.